Hello everyone, I'm back with another topic in English language. So our today's topic is article. Article a and the. Our today's topic is article. Friends, there are three kinds of articles. They are a and the. Okay. So there are three kinds of article. Article A, article and article the. Now in this chapter we will learn that where we have to add a, where we have to write and where we will write the. So just have a look. See, first we will study article a and. So dear friends, as you know that a and means one. What is the meaning of a and? Meaning of a and is one. It means where you have to indicate one, you will write a or an. Okay. But the thing is that what is the difference between a and an? Okay. So it will be clear if we see few examples. Okay, see. First I am writing here some examples. After that I will explain you why I have written here a and why I have written here an. See children, my first word is apple. My first word is apple. Second word that I have taken is orange. And third word that I am going to write is bag. Okay children, see now before apple I am writing and, before orange I am writing and before bag I am writing a. So if you see, I have written here an apple, an orange, a bag. Now I am going to explain you why have I written an a. Okay. Friends, as we know that there are 26 alphabets in English. In English, there are 26 alphabets. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. Okay. Out of these 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels. 5 are vowels. They are A, E, I, O and U. Out of these 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and they are A, E, I, O, U. So, if you subtract 5 from 26, we will get, if you subtract 5 from 26, we will get 21. We will get 21. So friends, these 21 alphabets are known as consonants. These 21 alphabets are known as consonants. I hope this this much is clear to you that 5 vowels are there, A, E, I, O, U. If we subtract 5 from 26, we will get 21, and these remaining 21 alphabets are called consonants. Now friends, you can ask that why I am explaining consonant and vowel. Why? Because these two are important factors in deciding the use of articles a and an. Friends, if any word, if I write any word, see, here I have written apple and here I have written pencil. Again I am writing here egg, and here I am writing box. You can say box. Okay children, now see. Now friends, now you will have to keep in mind that whenever you are asked to write article, what will you keep in mind? See, you have to keep in mind that you will see the first letter. You will see the first letter only. If the word's first letter is a vowel, so we will write article an. Therefore, it will be an article. An apple. Before in word apple, a is a vowel, so we will write here an. It means जब किसी वर्ड का पहला लेटर वॉवल होगा तो उसके पहले हमको आर्टिकल एन लिखना है. ओके, नाउ सी दिस वर्ड. नाउ इफ वी कम टू सेकंड वर्ड दैट इज पेंसिल. सी, पेंसिल वर्ड में फर्स्ट लेटर पी एक कॉन्सोनेंट है. तो अगर किसी वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट है तो जब उसका हम इसके पहले जब हमको आर्टिकल लिखना होगा तो हम लिखेंगे ए. इसके पहले हम ए आर्टिकल लिखेंगे. ओके, इफ एनी वर्ड इज स्टार्टिंग विद अ कॉन्सोनेंट we will write article a, and if any word is starting with a vowel we will write article an. Similarly, see in the third example, letter E is a vowel, so we will write an egg, and here we will write a box. A box. Okay friends. Now I will give you some more examples. Okay, it means you can say that we use an before singular noun which begin with a vowel sound. Okay, so now you can see, now you can make the definition. Now you can from these examples, now you can make definition that we use an before singular nouns. We use an before singular nouns. Okay, we use an before singular nouns which begin with a vowel sound. Which begin with a vowel sound. Okay, for example, For example, an engine, an umbrella, an umbrella, an owl. Okay friends, see, in all the three words, first letter is beginning with a vowel sound, E, engine. We will pronounce it like engine. This is umbrella. This is umbrella. And this is owl. This is owl. So, we have written and for these three words. Okay friends, now I will give you definition of a article. Okay, so now you can make change here that we use a. Now instead of n you can write here a. We use a article before singular noun which begins with a consonant sound. Instead of vowel, we will write here consonant. Instead of vowel, we will write here consonant. So, we use a before singular nouns which begin with a consonant sound. Which begins with a consonant sound. Okay children, now we will see some examples of article A. See, first word I have taken CAT, cat. Second word is PARROT, parrot. Third word is school. You can take an example. See, this will be a cat. Why? Because C letter is a consonant. Cat word में अभी मैंने आपको बोला कि किसी भी वर्ड का आपको क्या देखना है, फर्स्ट लेटर. कैट वर्ड में in this word first letter is C and C is a consonant. So before consonant we will write A. Parrot word में first letter is P and P letter is a consonant. So we will write here a parrot. Similarly, a school. Okay students. So now I think that now it is clear to you that when you have to write A and when you have to write N. So my suggestion to you is that you will practice at home many examples of article A and N. Okay? Okay friends? So now I start with article the. If you have any question or any doubt, you can ask me. You write in comment box and ask me about your queries. If you ask something, I will be more than happy. It means that you are studying at home. You are revising and learning at home. Now we come to article the. Now we move on to article the. Okay. Now see article the. Article the is used in many ways. We use article the in many ways. Okay. First thing, there are 5 points. First, we are coming to number 1 point. We use the when we talk of a particular person. If you are talking about a particular person, if you are talking about a particular person, place, animal, or thing. This point is clear to you? This point is about कि द का यूज हम तब करेंगे जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर और स्पेशल पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. ओके, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से द पैरट. नाउ read this sentence very carefully. I have written the parrot in that cage. The parrot in that cage can talk. Children, as you know that पैरट कैन टॉक. हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि पैरट जो है वो बोल सकता है. ओके, बट यहाँ पे हम किसी भी पैरट की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. हियर वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी पैरट. यहाँ पे हम एक पर्टिकुलर पैरट की बात कर रहे हैं जो पैरट उस केज में है. जो पैरट उस केज में, हम उस केज पिंजरे को इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं. सो हियर वी विल राइट द. बिफोर पैरट वी विल राइट द. The parrot in that cage can talk. कि उस केज में जो पैरट है वो बोल सकता है. ओके, so here we are talking about particular animal. So we have written here the. Now we come to second example. The boy in the red shirt. Children, this sentence is visible to you. The boy. This sentence is visible. The boy in red shirt the boy in red shirt is my cousin. The boy in red shirt is my cousin. Now friends, see, यहाँ पे हमने क्या बोला है. अब यहाँ पे हमने किसी भी बॉय के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी बॉय. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम एक पर्टिकुलर बॉय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो मेरा कजिन है. यहाँ पर सिर्फ हम उस बॉय के बारे में बता रहे हैं जो मेरा कजिन है. ओके, सो हियर वी विल राइट द. बिफोर बॉय वी विल राइट आर्टिकल द. सो द बॉय इन रेड शर्ट इज माई कजिन. The boy in red shirt is my cousin. I hope this is clear to you. Now we move on to second condition. First condition क्या थी friends? कि हम the word का यूज करेंगे अगर हम किसी particular person, place, animal और thing के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Okay? Now you can pause the screen and note it down all the examples. Or you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, now we come to second condition. Second condition says that second condition क्या है students? Second condition है कि we use the when the same noun is repeated again. We use the. Okay, we use the when the same noun. We use the when the same noun is used again. अगर एक ही noun सेंटेंस में कई बार रिपीट हो रहा है तो हम उस वर्ड के पहले द लिखेंगे. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी यूज द when the same noun is used again. See, now it is clear from the example. Just look at the board. first example is I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant. The elephant was eating grass. I saw an elephant. The elephant was eating grass. I saw an elephant. See, see students, here are two sentences. First sentence is I saw an elephant. मैंने एक elephant देखा. The elephant was eating grass. अब देखिए second sentence में हम उसी elephant के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. It means elephant word is repeating here. So we will write here. यहाँ पे तो आप n लिखेंगे because here elephant word का first letter e vowel है. Okay. But in second sentence word elephant is using again, so we will write here the elephant was eating grass. It is clear to you? In first sentence we will write n before elephant because here e is a vowel, and we know as per the rule if any noun is starting with a vowel sound we will use article n. Okay, but here the same word, same noun is repeating again, so we will write the elephant was eating grass. Okay, now you can pause the screen and note down the sentence, or you can take screenshot. Okay, so, okay children. Okay, now I give you one more example. I went to a restaurant. We will not say restaurant. This is restaurant. I went to a restaurant. See, first sentence is I went to a restaurant. The restaurant is close to my house. The restaurant is close to my house. Now students, see, here I have written two sentences, and if you read the sentence twice or thrice, you are able to understand that why I have written here the and why I have written here a. See, in first sentence I am saying I went to a restaurant. मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में गया. तो यहाँ पे हम एक रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. In this noun, R is a consonant, so we have written here a. Okay. But in second sentence we are saying the restaurant is close to my house. कि वो रेस्टोरेंट जहाँ पे हम कल गए थे मेरे घर के बहुत पास है. Is very close to my house. So now the restaurant word is repeating. We are repeating restaurant word here. So we will write before restaurant the. Okay. Okay children. So here you will write the before because this word is repeated here. The restaurant is close to my house. Now you can write this example also, or you can take a screenshot. Now third condition is you have learned two condition. That number one condition was कि हम the word का use करेंगे जब हम किसी particular person, place, thing और animal के बारे में बात करेंगे. Okay. Second rule क्या है कि जब कोई noun बार बार रिपीट होता है तो हम उस नाउन के पहले द आर्टिकल यूज करेंगे. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ वी कम टू थर्ड कंडीशन. द यूज करने की थर्ड कंडीशन क्या है? थर्ड कंडीशन ये है कि जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट या थिंग दुनिया में एक ही है, अपने तरह का एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसके जैसा कोई और अन्य ऑब्जेक्ट उस वर्ड में नहीं है. ओके, देन वी विल यूज आर्टिकल द. वी यूज द when there is only, we use the when there is only one thing of its kind. There is only one thing of its kind. For example, children, you already know that there is only one sun, there is only one moon, there is only one earth, there is only one sky. Okay, so before these words we will write article the. Rule number third condition is, I think it is very easy, कि द का यूज हम तब करेंगे जब हमको ये पता है कि वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इट्स ओनली वन थिंग ऑफ इट्स काइंड, उसके जैसा दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट इस दुनिया में नहीं है. ओके, देयर इज नो सच थिंग्स ऑफ इट्स काइंड इन द वर्ल्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सी द सन. Before sun we will write article the moon, the earth, the sky, the sky. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Okay, that is clear to you. Now we come to what is the fourth condition. Fourth condition is very easy. I think all the conditions are very easy. If you make a practice of using these words again and again, you are able to understand that where you have to use article a and the. Now we come to number 4 condition about the article. Fourth condition ये है friends कि जब हम किसी रिवर के बारे में बात करेंगे, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट रिवर, माउंटेन, फेमस बुक्स, बिल्डिंग एसेट्रा, सो वी विल यूज आर्टिकल द. अगर आप किसी फेमस बिल्डिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे, अगर आपको फेमस बिल्डिंग के बारे में बात करना हो, फेमस रिवर के बारे में बात करना हो, फेमस बुक्स, फेमस माउंटेन्स, फेमस रिवर्स, so what will you do? You will just write the before the names of river and building, books, etc. Okay. Fourth condition is that we use the when there is, we use the before the names of, we use the before the names of before the names of rivers, mountains, famous books. Children, we use the before the names of rivers, mountains, famous books, buildings, etc. Building, etc. Okay. So without any second thought, we will just write the before these words. Okay. इसमें ज़्यादा आपको सोचना ही नहीं है. अगर आप रिवर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, माउंटेन्स, फेमस बुक्स, building, then you will use article the. Okay. Now see, I am writing some examples. You say the Ganga. See here we have written the G capital because Ganga is the name of a particular river, So it is a proper noun. Now what is a proper noun? Now in my next video, I will tell you about noun. What is proper noun and what is common noun. Okay. So now, I just like to add here that first letter of proper noun is always a capital. Okay. So we will write G capital, G-A-N-G-A, Ganga. Second example is Himalayas. You know that Himalaya is a mountain. So before mountain, we will write article the. Then children see, I have written here Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a famous building. And rule number 4 says that before building we will write article the. So it will be the Taj Mahal. Now come to number 4 example. This is the Gita. The Gita. You know, Gita is a famous book of Hindus. Now see. Or you can say the Bhagavad Gita. The correct word is the Bhagavad Gita. Correct word is Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Now see, before Ganga, I will write the Ganga. Then it is the Himalayas. Before river, we will write the. Before mountain, we will write the article. Before any famous building, we will write the. And this is Bhagavad Gita, a famous book of Hindus. Before it, we will write here article the. So I think all these rules are very clear to you. I have explained in a very simple language so that each and every person can understand it. So can you see, all the rules in grammar are very easy. But the thing is that we are not aware about the basics of English grammar, so we find it difficult. Because क्योंकि हम लोग को सारे रूल्स, सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है, तो हमें इंग्लिश बहुत टफ लगती है. But friends, English is very easy language. Okay. In my coming videos, I will tell about you how to speak English in a very simple way. You can speak, anyone can speak English. It is very easy. Okay. So now, today's your homework is for today is you have to practice all the examples of article a and the. In my next video, I will take your test. Okay, so be ready for test. This was all about article a and the. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.